What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. Today, we're going to wrap the roof on my 2020 Mustang GT. Okay, let me rephrase that. My Whipple supercharged 2020 Mustang GT. There we go. So, I already have the antenna out. If you want to learn how to take the antenna out, I'll link a video to CJ Pony Parts. Bill makes it look super easy. It's a 2.5-minute video. I will not be offended if you go to his video and then come back to mine. I'm okay with that. So I'll link that down below so you know how to take that out. Tia, my assistant, put down the cutting tape. As you can see, zoom in, Tia. Alright, so we put the cutting tape down. The nice thing about the Mustang is there's no gaskets, nothing to really tuck under. So when you're using the cutting tape, you put it maybe 1/4 inch, a little bit more on the window, and then the seal, drip seal, whatever you want to call it over here. There's no gasket there. And then you tuck it down underneath. So what you're going to do, I'll show you in the video, but you're going to tuck it down. There's going to be some gap here. You're going to cut it, and then you're going to finish. Tucking it after that. So the car is wrapped in 3M Satin Key West. All right, so it's a very nice color. We need some contrast. I actually kind of like the white hood. The car is white. The white mirrors, but I got outvoted, so we went with Gloss Orange. And this is actually Avery Gloss Orange. They don't have any fancy name for it like Quinn does. It's just orange, like 60 or whatever. I got it from Fellers. Ordered it yesterday, came today. That's why I bought them in. So, all right, Tia, you ready to help me? We're gonna glass this out and put it on. Tia's looking fine today. Woo! All right, perfect. So the whole middle is glass. I'm going to glass out this side here. Avery's a little different than 3M. You notice it doesn't stick like the 3M stuff. You notice that? Because it's pressure sensitive. So it won't stick until you actually apply some pressure to it. So the best thing to do is start in the middle, create a hinge, and then work to one side. If you're a beginner to wrapping, Avery is actually a little easier to work with. The air release technology in the Avery, I would say, is better than what's in the 3M stuff. But 3M has some different colors, I guess. And Avery is thin, so it makes stretching it a little bit easier. 3M would be a lot stickier to pull up. The Avery does not stick without some pressure. So you have to apply pressure. It's pressure sensitive. Sometimes lifting it up like this gives you a place for the air to go, so it makes it actually a little bit easier. Everybody has their own style, so just find out what you're comfortable with and then work that way. So here, there's a grip seal. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up the vinyl and tucking it in so there's slack there, so it's going in with no heat, and it should not have any tension on it. So now I'm going to use the cutting tape and cut this side. When you're using the cutting tape, make sure you know what, especially when you have a corner, what cutting tape is on top of what, because you'll mess up and have a bad day. Huh? Yes. So with cutting tape, the 3M cutting tape, you bend it over, hold your finger there, and you pull it. And it should support. What I like to do is put it down, bend over the end so it's easy to peel up. Then after you cut it, you want to pull both sides of the cutting tape back up. So there will be one side that is underneath and then you have to pull up. I don't like that about it, but it seems to work okay. Sometimes you have it down and you have to pull it up because you use the cutting tape. This is what I was talking about for the front. And even if you have to tuck it under molding, this works pretty good. You pull it back and then you tuck it. And then what you do is, then you bend it over and you put it on the window. That gives you a little extra, and it's already started down in place. Okay, so I'm going to finish tucking the front here, and I'll let Tia do the back. So pull it up. I went to about here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Alright, so side's pretty much done. The front's done. I'm gonna pull the cutting tape and then go from there. Again, don't forget to pull the cutting tape up. So now I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to peel this back. And I didn't get that here, but it's not. Alright, so now we peel this up off the glass. And we work it down underneath. Take your time here because you don't want to wreck the whole roof job because you're rushing the last 5 minutes. Trust me, I've done that. It's frustrating. And then I yell at Tia, and then she cries, and then I feel bad, and it's just not a good place to be. So don't rush the last 5 minutes. Don't rush at all when you're wrapping. Just take your time. It's not that hard for the most part. Just take your time and you get it done. Probably could have cut it in the middle a little shorter. You don't really know until you've done it a couple times. Each part will so the front is done. See some bubbles.
Are you gonna make a full tape?
Yep. Gotten a lot better at that. Another trick that I like, that I taught Tia, was you leave extra on both sides, and then on the one side that you didn't start it on, don't cut it all the way to the end, because it makes it easier to peel back both pieces.
I'll let you cut it.
Oh, I see how it is.
I don't do the sucking.
She only likes to do fun stuff. Bugs like these colors, I'll tell you that. So again, a little closer view. Tia, you want to work the camera here? I don't pay you big bucks. I don't pay her anything. Don't let her fool you. Dating me is enough reward. She laughed. You know. Oh yeah. That's all the payment I need, baby. Okay, so now we are going to post heat, go all the way around with some heat and over the whole thing, see if there's any bubbles that come up that we can work out, and that will also help resist any pullback. So take her off, go ahead. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it useful. I am going to have more videos on how to wrap the whole car, or most of the car anyways. Also the side mirrors and doors, hood, fender, those items. So stay tuned, check those out. Also, might want to check out 1000 horsepower Shelby GT 500. We got lots of videos on that. Check those out too. I'd appreciate it. Hit that like button if you found this video pretty awesome or useful or sucky. Hit that like button anyways. Leave a comment, and if you're like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.